just before you watch the video, here is a quick introduction of who I am. My name is Frederick Nnamdi Ibemo. I'm a smartphone business consultant. Hey, my name is Frederick Nnamdi. My name is Frederick Nnamdi Ibemo. I am a smartphone business consultant. I teach you smartphone users how to turn your smartphone addiction to a six-figure business. If you'd love to keep watching videos from me, kindly subscribe down below, and just beside the subscribe button is a bell icon. Tap the bell icon and you'll be the first to know when I drop a fresh video.
Hi there, Frederick here. So if you're a frequent user of Pixellab or Picsart, you will notice that they are limited in their font styles. So this tutorial will teach you how you can download more fonts and install on your Picsart or Pixellab, right? So first you're gonna go to a website, darfont.com, as shown in the screen, and then you can select from any category of fonts that you want and download as many as you want, right? But if you do not want to go through this method, you can also go through session fontpack.zip. all right, then you can get direct links to a whole lot of font packs, and then you can also use the same method that I'm going to show you here to install them on Picsart or Pixellab, right? So now after the download, you are going to go to your file manager and then extract the zip file into the folder. That's the download folder, right? Then after that, this is for Picsart anyway, so after that you're going to copy the fonts in TTF or OTF, right? And then paste it on Picsart's folder, subfolder fonts, right? Then when you go to Picsart, you easily or quickly find the new fonts. Awesomeness. So now going over to Pixellab is quite a different ball game. Now you're going to go to font and then select my fonts, then tap on the new fonts, right? And then go to the folder where the new fonts are, select the fonts and tap at selected, and capiche, that's it. Hey, do you like the video you're watching? What if I tell you that you can learn to edit videos like this using your smartphone for only 3,000 Naira? So currently I'm doing a clearance sale and you might want to grab the offer and learn smartphone videography for only 3,000. Check the link on the description and talk to me if you're interested.
Was that video helpful? I bet it was. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel, I beg you, please subscribe right now and turn on notifications by hitting the bell icon so you'll be the first to know when I drop a new video. Would you like to connect with me on any of the social media handles? Right on the video description are links to my Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, WhatsApp, Gmail, and I am always open to hearing from you.